I've been in higher education for a very long time in different capacities, and being able to come to Williams and create a program from scratch almost, is such an opportunity. Yes, it's a calling. Our mission at Williams is to create Christian leaders in their fields, and I can't wait to be a part of that, where we can put Christian leaders into agriculture. I think there's a lot of compassion for others that comes with agriculture. You're not just growing it to feed your family, you're growing it to feed everyone. And whether it's animals or plants, doesn't matter. It's almost a calling just to be in agriculture. You're serving. It's a servant role in general. These students are going to have options from all the way from doing what I did, which was go into research and becoming an educator, to working in a bank and lending and things like that, actually helping the farmers from a financial standpoint. They're going to have knowledge where they could be crop consultants, or they can run a farm or a ranch on their own. They're going to have a lot of marketing strategies and things like that, so they won't just be a science background, so they're going to be very marketable. I think anyone can do this degree. I think it can be someone who's not really even sure they really like science. That's my favorite student, honestly, because I love showing them why you maybe should love it or could love it. I think anybody can take their shot at this one and actually realize that not only agriculture but business as well is very practical, something you can actually put your hands on and see working, and hopefully fall in love with it. We have lots of scholarship opportunities. We have the Williams Works program. You're going to get a lot more one-on-one attention. You're not going to just be a number, and you're not going to have lecture halls full of 300, 400 people when you're taking, a biology class, or, you're going to have one-on-one attention from all of your instructors, and you're going to get to know lots of other students, and it's more of a family here than what you're going to feel at a much larger school.